Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So Mihalov, a 2022 against pace Sicilian. Maybe a dragon or something. I was playing G3. Can I do this? Okay. Take a knight b4, c4, and queen d7, just queen d7, knight b6. We can actually play c3 and just trap that knight. Okay, let's try this. Does he move king? Okay, I'll take this off. Maybe that's c4 square, I can use that. Rook c8, knight c4. Alright. Looks a bit awkward, rook a2. Is h5 any good for h4? Okay. b5 looks as though that c5 looks quite fun. Still trying to put pressure down with b5. I could have done it and moved before. I can still do it here. He could have locked it down with a5 actually. So maybe that's something. A little bit of something there. Should have frozen my queen side. So now it's faced with a structural attack. I'll put it just on g7, I think. I don't think it looks particularly dangerous right now, this attack. Pleasant queenside counterplay. I'll take or queen c7. I think I should really take. Okay, maybe there's okay, rook c2. Or rook b8 and try and go down the b file to use b3. So check and queen b3.
Check.
Interesting. So bishop e3, queen here. So this bishop's kind of hemmed in. Got 1 minute clock advantage. Queen d2. Queen d2. White rook c8. Or g5, is g5 possible here? Then I could play maybe bishop e5 and f6. Would my knight be able to come out after that? I don't want to give him a big pass pawn here, particularly. have to take that. Okay, any tactics? Not really, doesn't seem at the moment. Bishop e5, bishop g5, bishop d4. So I'll play this for f6, try and play f6. God, c7, and get to play f6. It looks pleasant enough. f6 and rook. Move somewhere, I don't know. f6. Okay, I'll play f6. It's still got bishop g5, knight g5, so okay, I'm controlling c7. It looks like good news. It's using a lot of time. Oh, this diagonal's dangerous for d5. I think I have to get off this diagonal. You just king h8. Is bishop d6? Why not just bishop d6 and then try and get battery over here? Bishop d6 here. Try and get my queen to join the bishop. Oh. Well, there's queen a3 for rook b2. I can do this for a moment. Any bishop move, there's queen g3. It looks as though this could be fun. I would take, then check and queen e5.
Check.
Get the nearest king. Looks a bit dangerous. Yeah, it looks as though this has been a reasonable game. Had a bit of a cold recently, still got a bit of a cold while doing this video, I'm afraid. My knight's protecting the rook.
Check.
Let me just king g7 here. King seems quite safe overall compared to his king. I haven't got any direct threats though. Do I believe that? Is he really going to get a perpetual? Can I ignore it? Takes his queen h5. King here. Well, I'm not sure I should believe it.
Check.
Isn't there just knight h7 and I've
Check.
got queen f4 coming? So queen f4. Yeah, get the queen off.
Check.
Piece up. Big clock advantage. But I've only got one pawn. I don't really want to demonstrate a win knight
Check.
versus bishop, knight and bishop against king. But yeah.
Check.
Right, I'll take the bishop. Aha, these are dangerous.
Check. Check.
Oh, he's trapped my poor knight. Stranded my knight. That's a bit unfortunate. Told you I've got a cold. Oh no. My poor knight. Yeah, draw. Okay. Sorry about that. It was, yeah. how to mess up piece up. Well, I only had pawn left, so you can get rid of the pawns and draw it. It's a draw. Both sides, we don't have mating material, so that's how the ICC draws. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? I don't think I've got energy for any post-mortems at the moment. Thanks very much.